Hey guys, it's hail. Oh, crap ton of hail. Oh, it sucks. Hurts a little bit. Oh, I'm just went down my shirt. Ow, ow, it hurts. Crap, it hurts. I saw this. Ow, my hand. Ow, this hurts. Ow, falling ice hurts. Ow. To my shoe. To my shoe. Cold. Cold and painful. Ow, my hand. It's so cold it hurts. Ow. Oh, God. This hurts. Oh, it's not starting to hurt. Why'd you hurt me? Ow, my face. Ow. My phone is getting wet. Ow. Oh, it hurts. It's so cold and painful. It hurts. Ow, my hand's so cold and it hurts. Why am I not going inside? Trying to survive 1 minute. Ow. Come on, survive 2 minutes. Ow. I'm trying to survive 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. It hurts, guys. It's cold. It's freezing. Ow, my head. It's cold. I just went and touched my neck. Ow. 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. Come on. Okay, ow. 2, 1. I'm going in. I found that painful.
Okay. Love you too. Bye.
Ow.
Crazy out there?
Yes, it hurts.
I know.
My phone is soaked. What was I thinking when I did this? What was I thinking? It hurts. Ow. Hail. Oh, it's all in my hair. It's all in my hair.
Oh my God.
It's all in my hair. My hair is soaked. Mom, I guess I took my bath for tonight.
I guess we just forgot to get the shampoo.